Toyota is challenging traditional norms by introducing the highly anticipated Land Cruiser LC300 pickup truck, which is scheduled to be available for purchase in 2025. This film offers a unique glimpse into Toyota's most revolutionary automobile to date. This essay will examine the determinants that will result in the alteration of the pickup market through the introduction of the 2025 Land Cruiser LC300 pickup truck. The appeal of this product lies in its outstanding performance, advanced features, and elegant and innovative design. We will analyze its capabilities, the components of its structure, and the distinctive characteristics that set it apart from other vehicles. Regardless of whether you have a predisposition for Toyota or possess extensive knowledge and admiration for trucks, it is crucial that you witness this. Please be sure to respond positively to this video by liking it, leaving a comment, and subscribing for more outstanding vehicle-related stuff. At last, the truth has been unveiled. The 2025 Land Cruiser LC300 pickup truck is a remarkable piece of equipment that employs hybrid technology for propulsion. This state-of-the-art model is ready to completely transform the automotive industry with its extremely luxurious interior and outstanding performance. Images obtained by undercover agents Speed Car Mania provide extensive information on the 2025 Land Cruiser LC300 pickup truck, offering valuable insights into the future of automotive transportation.